In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create membership tiers on Patreon. To get started, open a fresh browser window and search for Patreon. When the results appear, click the official Patreon homepage. You'll recognize it by the patreon.com address and the familiar logo. Once you're there, log into your creator account so you can access the tools you need. After you've signed in, head to your creator page and open the Memberships tab. This is where you'll define what you offer and how supporters can join. We'll build your first tier together, and you can use the same approach for the rest. Create a new tier and give it a clear, specific name. Choose something that describes the experience, not just a clever label. Names like supporter, backstage, or VIP make it obvious what someone is joining and help set expectations. Next, enter a monthly price. Price according to value and the effort you can consistently deliver. Many creators use a simple ladder with an accessible entry tier, a mid-tier with strong value, and a premium option for dedicated fans. You can adjust later, but it's best to begin with amounts you can confidently stand behind. Write a concise, value-driven description, and add a cover image. In the description, lead with the benefit a member will feel, then list exactly what they get. Keep it conversational and honest about frequency. For the image, pick something on-brand that's easy to read at small sizes and instantly communicates the vibe of the tier. Now list the specific perks. Examples include exclusive posts, early access to videos or episodes, Discord roles, bonus downloads, or physical goods. Only promise what you can deliver on a reliable schedule, and if a perk relies on an integration like Discord, make sure it's connected before you announce it. If you plan to send physical items, enable the option to request shipping addresses. You can also set a member limit to control workload or create scarcity for special tiers. These controls help you protect your time and keep fulfillment smooth as your community grows. When you're happy with the name, price, description, perks, and any limits, click Save to activate the tier. Then repeat the process to add more tiers, typically an entry, a mid, and a high tier, so supporters can choose the level that fits them. That's it. Your membership tiers are live. Take a moment to review how everything looks from a visitor's perspective and refine the wording if needed. Thanks for watching, and good luck building a sustainable membership.